Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andianisa Maledian Putri. I am from 2CC7 and I am from Group 1. And my partner is Reza Asep Adi Purnomo. Okay, in this presentation, we will explain about configuration of DNS server in Ubuntu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Reza Asep Adi Purnomo. I want to explain about system analysis. DNS domain name system is a system that converts a website URL into an IP address. The URL itself stands for Uniform Resource Locator, where the URL has a meaning that is how to identify the location of a file or site on the internet. Without DNS, internet user must type the complete IP address when they want to visit a website. The purpose of DNS is to make it easy to remember the address of a web or server, which is where the web server's address is 192.168.1.1.1, so it's easy to remember, for example ccit2cc7.com. DNS can be used on the local area network and cloud network. What will be used in this project is the DNS setting on the local area network, where the network only covers the local area and covers a small area. The advantage of this local DNS server is that it uses a free server because it is still on one network. The server can also only be accessed if the server and client still in the same network. And then topology. DNS server that use local area network can only be reached in a small area. In this example, the topology use a cable and is centered on the server, which means it can only be accessed if the network is connected by a cable to the server. The topology can be in any form as long as the client is connected to the central server. And then in this topology, each client will be connected to a router to be able to access it, and no cable are needed. Because it utilizes a wireless network, a client can access as long as the network coverage. And then DNS configuration. First, enter the VirtualBox and enter the Ubuntu OS. Then enter the Ubuntu OS terminal. And then when you have opened the terminal, then enter the super user by typing sudo su. Then type the password of the Ubuntu OS account used. Sudosu is one of the commands in the Linux operating system that can only be done if the user has root access. Then sudo will do the command as the super user sudosu and give author so that normal user can act like super user. So even normal user can freely master the system. And then when entering the terminal, type apt get update. The apt get update function is to get the list of components based on components configured in a terminal. For example, there are programs A, B, C in the Linux distribution. The user computer is only install program A and C. When the apt get update command is executed, the system will look for a list of installed program E and C, and then look for the latest version contained in repository. If there is a newer version, apt get update will provide information about the number of components that need to be updated. After apt get update, do the clear command to clear the screen. Next, type apt get install bin9 to install bin9 server to manage the DNS server on the Ubuntu Linux operating system. After installing bin9, type the command ifconfig or interface configuration. A command on Linux that is used to configure network interface or view network configuration. Before changing and filling the IP and server in named conf.options, the user must know the IP address to be used 192.168.154.3. Before entering name.conf.options, the user must specify the menu directory to be used by typing cd then etc bin, where the user will enter the bin9 menu. After that, the user types gedit name conf.options to enter the menu.
I will explain about menu settings of name.conf.option. Before we open the menu, we must type in gedit name.conf.option in the terminal. Then change the IP address if it is not the same as the IP address of Ubuntu user. Then save the change. Next is enter the menu name conf local with gedit name.conf.local to make settings in DNS that will be used to create a server by using the domain we create ccit2cc7.com and then enter the IP address used, then save. And next is to open db domain by typing gedit db.domain to change the localhost network with a server that has been created. We create ccit2cc7.com and change the IP server with an IP address that is adjust to an existing IP, then save. Okay, next, after configuring DB domain, configure db.ip with gedit db.ip and change the setting on localhost with the server that was created. Change and match the server that has been configured, then save. Next is return to starting directory and type cd or etc. When you enter the etc menu, type gedit result.conf to set the server name and IP that have been set before. And next, the super user open the host file. To open the host file, the user types gedit host into the etc menu to introduce the IP address and server that have been created by adding the IP address and server under the IP address and server in the user VirtualBox. Okay, after everything has been configured and set, the super user returns to the beginning by typing cd after that. Restart bin9 with service bin9 restart, then reboot. The Ubuntu will restart. After Ubuntu restart, open the terminal again and type nslookup with the server that we create ccit2cc7.com to find out the IP that have been set previously. After that, ping the server and IP whether it has been running successfully or not. After successfully running it on Ubuntu, test the client. Open the CMD terminal on the client with Windows OS. At the client, type ping to find out whether the server was successfully run on the client or not. If successful, the server can be connected to the client as long as it is within range of local network.